Good morning, classics!
Good morning.
Classics!
Say good morning, classics.
Good morning, classics.
Yay! At least we're here now. Wait. Why so low? Wait, sorry. Beautification video. Yeah. Yes po. Hello. Say hi. I like your sunglasses. It's a purple heart. And your swimmers is a purple as well. The master cutter. The master barbecue. The butcher. The tree butcher. Ay, kita yung cleavage. Cleavage talaga. So many pork. So super serious. Why? I know we are all hungry, but give me a smile. It's for the vlog. Hi po. Give us a smile. Last hit for the summer. We got this. What are we cooking with this big casserole?
Turon.
Turon? Oh my god, I don't know what turon is. Ay, this is my Lodi. Oh. Lodi.
Eh kasi nagmamadali kasi kami. Eh natrap
This is
naman kami dyan sa
fresh tilapia.
traffic.
This is our...
Hindi
Kuya
naman
Anin,
ito
say hi
tilapia.
please. Kuya Anins, you have to say hi to the vlog.
Hey, hi. Good morning, classics.
Very good. Well done. Welcome to Classic, my baby boy. Give me a blow kiss. Very good. Well done. Take two. Welcome to Classics, baby boy. Can I touch your chest? Ah! And this is the family. Our family. And our beautification, our press.
Beautification.
And our Ajuma.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Welcome to Classics! May S na. Hi moms! What you cooking? Oh my god, dinosaur! Is it? Can I see that dinosaur? Look at the dinosaur. Ate Maya, look at that smoking chicken. And the beauty. Show your beauty.
No.
Oh my god. I thought to show your beauty.
No.
Pagka matanaw at pagka matanaw. Eh. Barbecue nga ni. Dapat ma-entertain sila dyan sa ano lulutuin nyo, Khalid?
Biryani.
Biryani?
Slowly. Push. You can connect.
Dami, oh.
Happy birthday! Grabe ang pa-birthday mo.
May pa-birthday.
Ang daming ano. Anong wish mo? Anong wish mo sa birthday?
Classic po, continue na to train hard.
Yeah.
God bless you all, Classics.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Eh!
Lalakad na yung tayo.
Grand! Excuse me, may dumaan.
Eh, Kyusha, dinala mo yung lamesa. Galing. Galing ng palusot.
Friends, sinong gumawa niyan? Talaga, masarap ba yan? Wow, andito na pala ang heartthrob. Uy! Pogi, oh. Biryani, live cooking. Wow, amazing, Brazen. Dapat alamin natin kung paano gawin yan. Anong meron dyan? Onyx, anong meron?
Magkikilawin ako ng hige.
Okay. Eto, ano to?
Grilled na, yan ay steam na.
Ikaw, ano naman ang ginagawa mo?
Luluto pa lang ako ng laing.
Nakapagluto na or magluluto pa lang?
Pa lang.
Wow.
Paunahin ko muna to.
Sige, sige. Ikaw, ano naman ang lulutuin?
Wala, ano lang. Pogi lang ang bag ko.
Pogi lang ang ambag. Paano ba yan, boy? Sabi ni, pogi lang daw ang ambag niya. Si RG. Oh, RG. Hello, ladies. Oo, gumagawa silang isda. Kilawin. Crab? Binili. Binili sa fish market ni na Onyx. Kay Onyx.
Iba na ng sibuyas bawang yan tsaka toyo Pangkulutan ng dati
Tuntua si Oliver dyan, kaya inaabangan niya kayo.
Napakain.
Ikaw, ano naman ang luto mo?
Wala ako nga eh.
Ha?
Magsaserve na lang.
Ano no?
Magsaserve.
Kasi ito daw, ginawa daw talaga to ni RC. Ito to.
Biryani.
Mas maano ka, RC? Mama Rosel, bakit ngayon ka lang? Ano?
Dami pang ginagawa eh. Dami nyo kabilin eh. Tumakas kay Bobber.
Hello.
We went to the beach and we see
You went to the beach? Pang
Let's go talk to your daddy and bring him to the beach. My daddy.
What? Swim? Oh my God.
Kuya Aaron is taking rest as well. Everybody is here. Nobody's there.
Ning Ning! Ning? Happy Eid Mubarak.
Ano si yan? Alam mo naman yan. Pupunta yan doon sa ladies.
I-ano na natin? I-ano na natin doon? Oh, sige. Nicholas, do you want? Do you want? Thank you daw. Ano meron? Ano daw yan?
Pilipino.
Ah, okay. Ano ang laman, Mama Rosel?
Tikoy and cheese. Tikoy.
First time yan.
You want this one, the rolling? Cheese. This one, the rolling. Perfect. Perfect. Sana kung malabas yung
Joy to the world the Lord has done. La 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 la. Christmas?
Lagi ko nasa...
La 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 la. Ako titikim ako bago maubos. Sarap.
Kasi ka Francis wala, no?
Wala nga eh.
Bayan? Kasi ka bayan?
Biryani.
Biryani, biryani.
By Alan.
Sa Dubai.
Ay, hala, tumaas. Sorry naman. Biryani.
Eh, may turmeric eh, no? Ano yan? Turmeric sa amin. Ano sabi niya?
Turmeric.
biryani.
Wala pa.
Tapos yung kanin, luto na. Lalagay dyan. Wala pa ang kanin eh.
Ang talong, TJ. Dandan ang talong.
Mainit nga naman doon.
Mali!
Tapos na.
Busog na lahat.
Nakalimutan natin i-video ang lahat. Yung kainan.
Oh, you forgot yung mga Sharon. I'm one of them, you know. Because I don't want to waste the food.
Yes, Mama Sharon. Ito, sipag nito. Oh.
Ba't wala kayo yan?
Ay, ano siguro.
Parang gusto ko to.
O, iuwi mo na, tapos balik mo na lang.
Hoy! Uwi mo ba to? Akin na lang.
Kanina to.
Ito, akin na lang, Sharon.
Nakapasabal, di ba naman nila?
Sure ka ha? Akin na to ha?
Nauna na sa'yo yan eh.
Ay, hindi. Walang una-una basta kinilaw. Bye-bye, everyone. Madami ka bang na, Sharon?
Wala nga eh.
Wala?
Panis lahat?
Ito?
Panis? Grabe.
Grabe, kanina ang bilis ng Sharon.
Favorite area yan.
Riri, sa'yo ba ito lahat? Yung pagkain? Sa'yo lahat yan? Ay, hindi naman daw eh. Ano? Ang dami pa kayo na Sharon? Ay, Diyos ko, ayan oh. Ano to? Coffee chat.
Nakakita over na sa kay Uncle. You forgot Uncle already.
Ano, Joy?
Kaupo eh.
Bakit? Lapnos puwet mo? Ako din may sugat.
Ano, balat na pala. Parang kamatis.
Wow. Mama Rosel.
Announcement, kanino po to, this for whom this song is for God, you know? I can return it on Sunday.
Baka kay ano? Tong 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 pakitong kitong. Ano yan, boy? Boy, close mo na, boy. Nakalimutan natin mag-ano, video.
Kaya na kung mag-close.
Si ano na, eto na mag-close. Kuya, i-close mo na. Khalid.
Close, open.
Ikaw naman Marusel mag-close.
Close open.
Thank you for
Close
coming,
open.
everyone.
Thank you for coming, everyone. See you after it.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Khalid, thank you for cooking, live cooking.
Kanino to?
Next time again.
Oliver, ano,
Salamat. Thank you, admin.
admin.
Thank you, everyone.
Kahit ayaw ka namin, Adi.
Oh, lagyan ko ng heart. Bye-bye. See you next week. Magkamali ka ng bit-bit, baka akin yan, patingin.
Speaker!
Speaker ba to? Ito?
Bye, kuya.
Bye-bye.
Boy.
Bye po, thank you.
Bye-bye. Puntahan ko si Nick, naliligo. I'm going to the beach. Ganda. Init. Init, see? Ang init. Here we are in Mamzar Beach. Mamzar Beach. Ang init. Oh. Yun si Kuya. Where's Nicolas? Nick! Niklas! Come on! Niklas! Let's go! Let's go! Yes! You like it? You like? We will come back here with Granny. You want tomorrow morning? Or afternoon? Oh, come. Come on. Where's your slippers? It's so hot. Huh? Okay, we're going back to the park. It's so hot, Nicolas. Oh, you like it?
Yes, I just don't like getting out of it.
Yeah, but because it's so hot.
I think I won't come tomorrow, honestly. Feels like my feet are getting grated by sandpaper. Literally. It does not feel good.
hot. I think it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh my god. It's so hot. Actually, Nick, they left already.